We rented a jackhammer from the local hardware store and used it to destroy these poorly built steps. This will be just a sped up video for this part, then we'll have some real video. Well, half hour worth of work, and as I was jackhammering along here, large sections of the wall fell over there. Same on this side, that fell over there. The black stuff is the asphalt that once upon a time was here that they shoveled inside as fill. These are some old, we'll just say concrete pillows, some old concrete bags that got hard that they threw in there for fill. And this is where we are all of a sudden, pretty quickly. So yeah, we got some more jackhammering to do, but it's coming apart pretty quickly. Now this entire section fell over. Landscape blocks for stairs. Not the best quality material, but that's what it is. And you know, we'll get this out of here, and then hopefully in a few days we'll get our new steps, which will be very, very nice. Woohoo!
Yeah, I don't know.
Now we have the top view where we're doing some more jackhammering, and the internal of the steps was mostly just fill. And here I and my wife are jackhammering. Our son's watching a little bit. We're using the backhoe to clean it up. And at the end we got all the way through the slab and finished it all up. During that pause we were taking a lunch break. We started about 10 in the morning and we finished at about 3:30 in the afternoon.